Ever spent way too long searching for a video you know exists, but just couldn't find it? Well, you're not alone. In this video, we're diving into the top 8 video search engines that help you find any video online, fast, whether it's a tutorial, meme, documentary, or a viral moment. And stay tuned, because at the end, I'll share a bonus tip that most people overlook, but it's insanely useful. Sure, Google can find websites, images, and news articles. But when you're looking for a specific video, you need better filters, more sources, and a smarter search. That's where dedicated video search engines come in. These tools let you filter by duration, resolution, platform, and even licensing, so you can quickly find the exact video you're looking for. 1. Google Video Search. Let's start with the king. Just enter your query on Google, then click the Videos tab. From there, use tools to filter by upload date, duration, and quality. It even lets you preview scenes before you click. 2. Bing Video Search. Bing gives you rich previews and lets you filter by source, resolution, and date. What's cool? You can hover over thumbnails to preview the video without leaving the page. 3. Yahoo Video Search. It's powered by Bing under the hood but has its own layout. Useful if you want a slightly different presentation with the same strong filtering tools. 4. Ecosia. Want to save the planet while you search? Ecosia donates profits to planting trees and runs on Bing's infrastructure. Their video tab gives you clean, filtered results with a purpose. 5. Social Searcher. Social Searcher is made for digging through social media platforms. Perfect for tracking viral TikToks, YouTube videos, or niche clips from Vimeo. It even provides sentiment analysis, great for research or marketing. 6. DuckDuckGo Video Search. No tracking, no ads, no nonsense. DuckDuckGo lets you search for videos anonymously. It filters by region, time, resolution, and even license, making it a solid choice for creators. 7. Dogpile. This old-school meta search engine combines results from Google, Yahoo, and Yandex. It's not fancy, but it's fast and gives you a mix of different perspectives. 8. Swisscows. If you want family-safe video search, Swisscows is your friend. It filters out inappropriate content and focuses on privacy and clean results. Great for kids or classroom settings. Bonus tip: search within video platforms. Sometimes, the best place to search is right within the platform itself. Here's how to do it right. YouTube. Use filters like upload date, video length, 4K quality, and subtitles. Vimeo. High quality indie or business content. Great for professional searches. Dailymotion. Short form content with niche creators. TikTok. Search by hashtags or sounds for trending shorts. Facebook Watch. Discover shared videos across communities. Pro tip for website owners and content creators. If you're a content creator or business owner hosting your own videos, here's a pro tip. Make sure your website and video content are easily discoverable by search engines. That means proper video titles, descriptions, tags, and, most importantly, fast hosting. And that's where Verpex hosting comes in. With Verpex, you get blazing fast speeds, global servers, free SSL and backups, and 24/7 expert support. Whether you're embedding YouTube videos or hosting your own tutorials, Verpex ensures your videos load quickly and rank better on Google and Bing. Now that you've got the tools to search smarter, which video search engine will you try first? Drop your favorite in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more smart tech tips every week.